Sketch a double-acting reciprocating pump with suitable valve assembly. Describe the operation including the use of a accumulator. Describe the operation including the use of an accumulator. An accumulator is usually fitted in the discharge pipe work, to dampen out the pressure variations during discharge. As the discharge pressure rises, the air is compressed in the vessel, and as the pressure falls, the air expands. The peak pressure energy is thus stored in the air, and returned to the system when the pressure falls. Air vessels are not fitted on reciprocating boiler feed pumps since they may introduce air into the deaerated feed water.